Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.
Looking for convenient and affordable parking?
Look no further than ParkWhiz. This online platform and mobile app connects you with parking spaces in over 500 cities across North America. Whether you're heading to a big game, concert, airport, or just need a spot downtown, ParkWhiz makes finding and reserving parking a breeze. Forget circling the block or paying exorbitant fees. ParkWhiz offers a wide range of parking options to suit your needs and budget. ParkWhiz allows you to compare prices, locations, and amenities like covered parking, in and out privileges, and even electric vehicle charging stations. Simply enter your destination and desired parking time, and ParkWhiz will display a comprehensive list of available parking spots. You can easily filter your search by price, distance, and features, ensuring you find the perfect parking solution. Booking your parking spot through ParkWhiz is secure and straightforward. Once you've selected your preferred spot, you can securely pay online and receive your parking pass instantly. No more fumbling with cash or worrying about finding a meter. Just show your pass upon arrival, park your car, and enjoy your event or activity. Furthermore, ParkWhiz offers exclusive deals and discounts, helping you save even more money on parking. They frequently partner with venues and events to offer special rates to their users. You can also take advantage of their loyalty program and earn rewards for future bookings. By streamlining the parking process and providing competitive rates, ParkWhiz eliminates the stress of finding parking and lets you focus on enjoying your outing. So next time you need parking, visit parkwhiz.com or download their app and experience the convenience of pre-booked parking. They really make parking simple, don't they? Give ParkWhiz a try and see how easy parking can be. It's definitely worth checking out. They've truly simplified finding and paying for parking. You won't regret it. Make parking hassle-free with ParkWhiz.